We carry a couple hundred different types of building stone materials and natural stone, and to bring the fireplaces in as an added product, it's fantastic. And the way it relates back to the stone, of course, we hope they put stone on them, but they can brick them, they can put stucco on them, and we sure let people know that. But it's a great addition to what we already do.
As far as outdoor fireplaces go, Stone Age fireplaces, it's at the top of the list. It's engineered with the right specifications for maximum draw.
Most of the old stonemasons were able to put the fireplace together from scratch. It was actually more costly than would be one of these manufactured fireplaces. But most of the new guys on the block, they don't know how to build a fireplace that will draw, because it's critical that the fireplace draw the smoke up the fireplace and out the chimney. These work fantastic. Like I say, they can save a mason money. A customer can come in here and say, "Hey, I want a fireplace." We can find guys to go out and install it, and they'll actually save a lot of money versus a fireplace that was built from scratch from the ground up.
Anybody who's had a home built over the last, say, 20 years has probably got a metal insert in their house. If they've burnt a fire in that every winter for 20 years, their fireplace is burned out, the metal's done. These are going to last forever. How often have you seen a house get knocked down from a tornado and the only thing standing there is the chimney? I mean, this is a real deal fireplace, and you'll have that same type thing happen.
When we first started a couple of years ago carrying the fireplaces, we set up one fireplace, and everybody noticed it, of course. Then we made a little display. We added 3 more fireplaces. Now what we're noticing is people from the highway, they're just stopping in to look and see what the fireplaces are all about. I mean, we've got thousands of tons of, palletized material down here. We know we get their attention, but now all of a sudden, the people came in specifically because they saw the fireplaces, which gives us an opportunity, of course, to sell more stone. Due to the cost of the wholesale price for the fireplaces, we can make some pretty good money on it. There's no doubt about it. We're able to come in underneath our competitors. We can do it, of course, like I mentioned earlier, it'll be cheaper than a mason actually, building one from scratch. So we feel like, within the profit margins that we have to make as a business, we definitely know that we can make some good money selling fireplaces. We know Joe and Bob Ryder real well, and we've known that family, Maddie Ryder, their mother as well. They're awesome people. They're good people first, and then they're great suppliers and manufacturers second. I can 100% tell you that they've taken care of everything that they said they were going to take care of. Any flaws, which are very few and far between, Joe is a phone call away, Bob, and any questions we had at the beginning when we didn't know quite what we were doing, they're right there to answer them, and they're just great people. You'll find that out real fast. We've seen the outdoor living areas probably, I would say, 200 to 300% more of that type of business going on than it ever had in the past, and what a product to go along with it. We're excited because it goes with our flagstone, our building stone. It's just, I hate to use the term no-brainer, but it's a no-brainer.
And I'm second generation stonemason, and I'll recommend Stone Age to customers, builders, family, friends. It is truly a masonry fireplace for half the money of a built from scratch.
I would recommend anybody that's in my line of business, as long as it's not my competitor across town, yeah, definitely, they would want to carry Stone Age fireplaces.